Have you ever seen this? I haven't. Look at this. It's a cave that has another entrance on the other side. We enter the cave. Wow. Okay guys, another day, and today is the big day to explore the inside of the cave. We have a flashlight. Do we have the flashlight, Joanna?
We have everything.
We have everything, right? And let's see what we find in this cave today.
Yes, sir. Stay there, folks. See you.
Okay, folks, we found a more or less unofficial path.
This guy got us lost again. The path is up above.
Look at this awesome path. We're walking under the trees. We're practically walking in the river.
This is nowhere.
Okay, look, this path is very difficult. Look at the vines. It looks like a jungle here. And now, well, here's the path. Let's keep going. Look, that's for people who are good at hiking.
Don't try this at home. Danger.
So we have an excellent view here. Again, above all, look at this. It's very beautiful. And here it's like a private pool. Well, we keep walking in this wild terrain.
Wow.
Over there.
There it is.
You can see it. Suddenly we arrived.
At the fountain, at the cave, with the hot spring.
Let's see what it says here. Oh,
Let's analyze the notice. Oh, you won't believe it. Look, these funny creatures, bats.
They live there.
The Miniopterus schreibersi, these are a kind of bats that suck blood.
Yes. And they're eating there. So they recommend that you don't disturb them.
Alright, this cave has two entrances. One is over there and the other cave is 500 meters on the other side. Can you see this? What a sight! The waterfall cascades there, and there's a cave nearby. And now let's go. I already have the flashlight. Let's go into this cave. Let's go. Let's explore the cave. Let's go. We'll go into the cave. Look how dark it is in there.
This is the bat's cave.
The water is cold here. It falls from up there. Wow. It's raining here. Wow. We need to clean the camera. Wow. Look at this. Let's go in here. Wow. Thousands of bats live here. This is the exit. You see Joanna there. It smells a little bit like bat poop, I think. Let's go in further. Well, I think you don't even need the flashlight. It's quite... Look, over there. Maybe over there? They live over there. And here you can see the entrance. This is the path. It's the path to the other cave. They came here. There's a bat there. Did you see it? He disappeared that way. They live over there. Here we have... This takes you to the other side. The water comes from here. Over there. Look, there's tunnel beneath. I could swim. Let's go. Well, I'm not going. Joanna, what happened? Why didn't you want to go in?
It's very cold.
What?
It's very cold and there are bats. I saw them flying.
Yes, you can see them here. Sometimes there are bats.
Welcome to the center of the earth.
And look, here it looks like it's raining. Many drops are falling here. Hey, what are you looking for?
I'm looking for a small bat, but there's no bat nest.
Fuck, it's too high, right?
Okay, let's take a bath in this waterfall because the water is hot. It's a waterfall with hot water. How is it?
It's really nice.
It's a natural shower. Woohoo! Woohoo! Ah, this is like a shower with a natural massage. That's what you have to do if you come here to do this.
Woohoo! Up! I need help.
Everything okay, Joanna? Good, now we're refreshed. We can continue with our tour. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Like, subscribe, and stay tuned.
Rainbow, do you see it? Okay, Joanna is going to cross the river now. I'll go first.
You do it.
Alright, we're now showing how to cross the tree.
Patrick doesn't need to cross that tree, but he does anyway.
Yeah.
Oh, what about me?
Huh?
I'm stuck on this side, Patrick. Come back! Guys, no, that's not how it works. I have to keep going this way. I'm not gonna fall. Look! Look how dangerous. Look at that.
Woohoo! Now it's your turn, Joanna, right?